Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. As you know, we are studying chapter number 4, an exhibition. So today we are going to do the activities of the same chapter. So open your books on page number 22. Answer these questions. As you know, you need to answer these questions just verbally, no need to write these answers. So start it. Where did Mr. Kazi take his class for trip? Mr. Kazi took his class to the exhibition for a trip. What did Mr. Kazi ask Akbar? Mr. Kazi asked Akbar what he had liked best in the exhibition. Here we can see that the questions are given in past tense, so it is necessary to answer in the same tense. What did Akbar like best in the exhibition? He liked the bones best in the exhibition. What did Rizwan like best in the exhibition and why? He liked rocks in the exhibition because he has been collecting the rocks too. What is Sadiq's hobby? Sadiq's hobby is picture collecting. What is your hobby? Now you will answer it by your own self, according to your choice, according to your own hobby. Why exhibitions are important? Exhibitions are very important for public because they give them important information about collection of things that are displayed. Next activity, present perfect continuous tense. A good definition is given in your book. As we can see, this tense is used to talk about an action or actions that started in the past and continued until recently, or that continued into the future. In Urdu recognition we can say रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह. And there is also time mentioned in this same tense. Example, he has been working as a reporter with this newspaper for 5 years. So let's start the solution of this exercise. My mother has been sewing clothes since 8 o'clock in the morning. Machine has been going to the school for 4 years. My friend has been reading for 3 hours. Students, always remember that where the time of starting an action is given, we use since. For example, since 7 o'clock, since Thursday, since June, since 1980, since 20th, since morning, or since evening. But when the duration or span of time is given, word for is used. So we can say that for 5 hours, for 4 days, for 3 months, for 2 years, for 2 nights. In this way we use for. So let's start it again. My friend has been reading for 3 hours. I have been sitting at this table since early morning. My father has been telling stories for the last 2 hours. Here we can see that the given time is not specified, so we are using for. She has been doing her homework since 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I hope it is clear. So let's start the next activity. Fill each blank with the opposite of the word underline. Example, we are going to paint the front and the back of our house. He was He was happy when his cousin came, but sorry when he left. Here we are simply using the opposites of the words as are given in the underlined form. Father will sell his old car and buy a new one. He tied the short length of the cord to the long one. The girls were quiet in the school but very noisy outside. 5 years ago he was poor, now he is very rich. My watch was 5 minutes fast yesterday, but it is slow today. If you break your toy, nobody will be able to mend it. Next, there is the use of articles. As we know, when there is vowel sound, we use and, but with the consonant sound, we use a. And the is used where the given thing is particularly specified or with the names of newspapers, rivers, heavenly bodies. So we are going to start this exercise. My grandmother likes the flowers very much. Next activity D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. As we know, the articles are the use of a and the. An is used when before the vowel sounds and before the consonant sound we use a. And the is used when it is specified something or before the names of heavenly bodies, religious books, rivers, lakes, etc. My grandmother likes dash flowers very much. There is no any special flowers is mentioned here, so the most convenient option is here none. For example, if there is written rose or sunflowers, then we will write the, but now we are going to fill it with my grandmother likes flowers very much. Suitable option is D. Their car does 150 miles an hour. Here we can see R is presenting the sound of vowel. I always listen to the radio in the morning. Is your mother working in dash old office building? In an old building? In an old office building. Here there is also the vowel sound. Where is dash USB drive I lent you last week? Where is the USB drive I lent you last week? So suitable option is the. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.